Over the years, our nation, India, has witnessed success in leaps and bounds, making technological advancements in many fields, including farming. The indulgence of government institutes and private companies have fostered this growth. For more than 100 years, one company has played a crucial role in this success. Bayer, understanding the needs of the customers and by providing innovative products and solutions, has stayed alongside with smallholder farmers. Over the last decade, horticulture production in the country has surpassed the production of food grains. And this was possible with the help of smallholder farmers who not only grasp technology but also implement them optimally. One such farmer, W. Rai, shared his journey with us.
My name is W. Rai. I have a lot of expectations from farming, the most vital of them being higher profits, better selling price and better products for my crops along with good quality seeds and technology. Despite farming since years, I never enjoyed optimum produce or good quality, whereas my production costs were constantly on the rise. In fact, due to pests, I often had to discard 20 to 30% of tomatoes.
Experts from Bayer visited W and educated him on better techniques for tomato farming, techniques that were learned from global experts in tomato specialism training. They also informed him about the Better Life Farming initiative, which benefited neighbouring area farmers in their hot pepper crop in the last season.
Last year, representatives from Bayer educated me on Better Life Farming and I quickly agreed to be a part of it. And as a result,
I got adequate and correct knowledge about seeds, nursery and plant protection products.
Not only that, with correct information on technology, I have enjoyed abundant produce and profits.
W was quite thrilled with the experience and hence he wanted to learn more. Thereby, Bayer experts agreed to put up a demo field.
I have observed that not only my produce increased, my wastage has reduced a lot and as a result, my production costs have reduced as well.
W happily accepted the proposal and Bayer experts brought in all stakeholders, understanding the farmers' needs. Irrigation expert Netafim, nutrition expert Yara Fertilizers, and crop protection and agronomy advice from Bayer.
This year, many more farmers, including myself, will proceed with farming using these techniques. We will stay associated with this project and will surely earn higher profits. I will use these profits
to make my livelihood better,
give my children better education and better my life in every way. Using new techniques for tomato farming, as explained by Bayer experts, I have seen a substantial growth in produce and higher profits. I am very happy.
W. Rai is one of those farmers who not only aspire but have the means for a better life for himself and his family through Bayer.
Thank you, Better Life Farming.